In today's video, I am going to teach you how to reset Tradingview settings to default. Whether your chart looks off after lots of tweaks, or you just want a clean slate. I'll walk you through simple resets first, then move to deeper cleanups, and finally the full desktop refresh if you need it. Start with the quickest fix: resetting the chart view. Right-click directly on your chart and choose Reset Chart. This snaps the view back to a sensible, centered state by resetting zoom and pan on the current symbol and time frame. It won't remove your drawings or indicators, it simply fixes the perspective so you are not lost in an odd scale. Next, restore the look and feel. Click the gear icon to open chart settings. Go to Appearance, then Template, and select Apply Defaults. This brings back the default background, grid lines, session breaks, and color theme. If your chart colors or grid visibility got inconsistent over time, this is the cleanest way to normalize visuals without touching your analysis. If your workspace is cluttered, clear the slate of tools in one go. On the left toolbar, click the Remove button, the trash vacant icon, to delete all drawings and indicators from the chart. This is a bulk action that wipes trend lines, shapes, text, and indicators at once. If you might want them later, consider saving your layout first so you can return to it, and remember you can use undo right away if you clear something by mistake. If prices look squished or stretched, reset the scales directly. Double-click the price scale on the right to restore default scaling for values. And double-click the time scale along the bottom to reset bar spacing and candle width. This is perfect when manual zooming has left the chart cramped or overly expanded. If you are using a multi-chart grid, you can quickly normalize each panel's view. Right-click in the Layout area and choose Reset Chart View. This evens out the chart views across the grid so every panel is easy to read again without manually fixing each one. Finally, if you need a total fresh start for the desktop app, locate your Tradingview user data configuration folder on your computer and delete it.